This is a percussion cap shotgun. It's from sometime in the 19th century. I know percussion caps were invented sometime around the 1820s, so it's sometime after that, but I don't know exactly when it was from. It belongs to my son. It doesn't work anymore. You wouldn't want to try and use it in case something exploded and gave you serious injury. But when he got it, it has the hammer on this side, but on the other side there was no hammer. So I wondered if I could make one. So I bought a small piece of 10mm thick mild steel and decided I'd try and carve one and use files to get the shape. So through the process I took stills, so I've put the stills together as a video to show you the process I went through, and I'll show you that now. Here's the final piece now. When I made it, it was nice and silvery like steel, and then I realised it wasn't actually going to fit in with the rest of the patina on the gun and the oldness of it. So I saw a thing on YouTube where you heat up the steel and then you submerge it in damp coffee grounds. So I did that, and it came out this nice blacky brown colour. Now I'm not sure if that's to do with the coffee grounds or heating it. I would have thought just heating it on its own would have made it more blue, but it certainly came out nice. So what I'll do is I'll put it on the gun now and show it to you on the gun. So here we have the gun. It took me about 10 hours I think to make this. It took a long time just to make that square hole and to make it so that it fitted on here. I found it difficult to find a screw that looked the same, so I ended up just getting an ordinary screw and a washer and then just heating it up to make it darker. If I just screw this in here now, like that. It's on there now. So now we have the two hammers. So as you can see, my one is slightly bigger than the other one, but it was pretty difficult to get it the same, because I only had this one to work from and I had to make a mirror reverse. So I was trying to imagine it in mirror reverse and holding up the new one to the old one as I was doing it, as you saw in the video. But if I pull the trigger, it fires, and that one fires. So it does work, which is really nice. So that's how it turned out. I was really pleased with the look of it, and it is possible just with a piece of steel. As you saw, I used the drill to drill out lots of the unwanted steel, but then the rest was all carved to shape with files, sitting at the table making a lot of mess, and then spending a lot of time with sandpaper. But just to make something that it just finishes off the gun now, so it doesn't look out of place with just one hammer. And it was a nice project to do. So I hope you enjoyed that, and that if you get the chance to make something out of steel, you'll give it a go with not too many tools. You can actually make something that you'll be proud of. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.